Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss unemployment topic. So in unemployment topic you have to read meaning of unemployment, types of unemployment, effects of unemployment, causes of unemployment. So reasons, effects, types and meaning of unemployment. So first we will discuss meaning of unemployment. A situation where any person has the will and ability to work but does not get a job is called as unemployment. The types of the unemployments are structural unemployment, seasonal unemployment, micro unemployment, tremendous unemployment, open unemployment, some level of unemployment, structural unemployment, voluntary unemployment, unethical unemployment, economic cycle unemployment. So these are the types of unemployment. Effects of unemployment on our economic growth: reduction in income, low life, lack of morals, destruction of confidence, loss of human wealth, social impact, political impact, economic impact. Causes of employment: unemployment causes or reasons: overpopulation, a backward agricultural sector, slow growth, indifference, lack of technology, financial plans are not correct, neglect of small scale industries, poverty, superstitions. So these are the questions comes under unemployment topic. Thank you.